Hello kids! Welcome to Zoo Clues channel. Meet amazing zoo animals. Fun facts for kids. Here comes our first friend. Monkey. They live both on the ground and in the trees. Did you know? Apes are not monkeys. Next up. Camel. Camels can survive without water for days. They have a hump to store fat, not water. Say hello to deer. Deer have antlers that grow and shed every year. They can jump very high and run fast. Now comes bear. Bears love to eat honey and fish. Some bears can sleep all winter. This is called hibernation. Look who's tall. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest neck of any animal. Their tongue is so long they can clean their own ears. Meet the cute one. Panda. Pandas love to eat bamboo. They spend most of their day eating and sleeping. The mighty one is here. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Each tiger has unique stripes like human fingerprints. A giant friend has arrived. Elephant. Elephants use their trunk to drink water and pick up things. They are the largest land animals. And finally, the king of the jungle. Lion. Lions live in groups called prides. Their loud roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Wow kids! You did an amazing job learning about all the animals. Shall we meet again next time for more fun animal facts? Don't forget to subscribe.